Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you do screen recording on your iPad. It's very simple, just you know to go to settings, here settings, then go to control centers. This is the control centers, and after that you need to add screen recording option from here to here. So because I already added screen recording a button to my iPad, so now you will able to see here red color button which is already screen recording is going on. Just need to touch this, then your screen recording will start and you will able to record your screen your way. I hope you got the points. You can record your screen, you can start making videos and sharing with your friends. Thanks for being with us. Please do like, share, and subscribe.